Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change country in Microsoft Bing on Android. How to change country in Microsoft Bing on Android. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Microsoft Outlook app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Microsoft Outlook app. Next, tap the Google icon at the top right of the screen. And a scrolling down menu will appear. Tap the Settings menu. Tap Region and Language. Tap Country. There are many country choices here. Select one. So that's it, this tutorial on how to change country in Microsoft Bing on Android. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.